Hi everyone, my name is Afzaal Ahmad Zeeshan and welcome to my course Managing and Binding Data using the Android Paging Library. This course is part of the Pluralsight's developing Android applications with Kotlin skill path. I am a developer advocate at Adyen and I am an author with Pluralsight. I am an active open source contributor and a global speaker, and I have been building Android applications since my graduate days. Android Jetpack is an essential part of the Android SDK, making it easier to develop Android applications with best development and user experience practices. Android Jetpack can help you improve the overall look and feel of your Android application. In this course, we'll work on getting you the knowledge, practice, and support that you need to learn about the data pagination. We will help you learn about the data pagination, why we need to paginate the data, how to do it, and how Android Paging Library helps us quickly paginate the data in our Android applications. Thereon, you will learn how to create custom data sources and how to use them in your own applications. We will also cover the best practices around data pagination and how to use them in different components of the Android Paging Library. By the end of this course, you will know all that you need to learn in order to paginate your data for your Android applications. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Android SDK, Android Studio, and Kotlin language for Android development, and be willing to learn the Android Paging Library and how to create custom data sources where they are necessary. During the course, you should be using the exercise files provided with the course. I also encourage you to explore the Android development with Kotlin path on Pluralsight library to understand the basics before you start. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn about the data pagination with managing and binding data using Android Paging Library course at Pluralsight.